Hello, welcome back to the show. So, today I'm going to be going over operators in JavaScript, but before I do that, I'd like to kind of summarize something before we move on, because we have gone over let and var to declare variables, but we haven't gone and used const yet. So, const is another thing that you can use to declare a variable. The only difference is listed right here, so you cannot redeclare const. You can't reassign anything that's declared with const, and you can't hoist it, and you can't bind it. So this is the difference between var, let, and const when you're declaring variables. And that's what I wanted to show you, so you know exactly how to declare the variable depending on what you're doing before we move on to operators. So going into operators. So operators are used to perform different types of logical operations or mathematical equations. So here we've gone and done this already in previous exercises. We let x equals 10, let x equals 5, that kind of stuff. So we assign a value to our variable. And then in addition, we assign the value to these variables. And here you add with plus sign. If you want to multiply, you use the asterisk. And then here you can use these brackets. You can use arithmetic operators inside of your code as well. So here's a list of all the operators and what they mean. So that's addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, division, modulus, division remainder, increment, and decrement. Okay, so assignment operators. So what you use to assign the value. So that is the operator for like equal to. So you want something to equal something. And this one would be the, what do you call it, the thing that you want to assign the value or transfer the value to this one. So this one plus equals y is the same as y equals x plus y. So you're basically saying, hey, y, like right here, y equals the same as if y was to be added to x. And this is kind of weird because it's like, I don't know if you, I don't know if any of you have ever like practiced writing Chinese characters, but in Chinese you like, when you write the character, I think it's like you write the last word first and the first word last in a sentence. So this just reminds me of that for some reason. It's not the same though. Yeah, if you want to have y equals the addition of x plus y, then that's how you would do it. Y equals the subtraction of x to y, then that's how you would do it. Y equals multiplication of x to y equals division, and all of this. So these are the examples of how you would do that in JavaScript. Instead of doing it this way, you could do it this way. Now, why would you do that? I don't know. I guess it's shorter. Like, if you want to take up less space. Okay, comparison operators. So here's the description of all these operators. That would be equal to, that would be equal value and equal type. That's not equal. That's not equal value or equal type. That's greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, ternary operator. Okay. So now it goes into strings and showing you the comparison operators that we went over up here being used in strings here. So let text1 equals a, and then let result equals text1, and then the less than sign, text2. JavaScript string addition. So let text1 equals John, let text2 equals Doe, and let text3 equals text1 plus, and then the double quotations for the space in between, and then text2. We're not going to go over and do most of these on here because we've already done most of these in examples anyways. So I'm just going to do a review of this, unless there's something in particular that's unique that we actually need to do on here. So let text1 equals whatever, and text1 plus equals nice day. So text1 equals to the addition of text1 to nice day. So text1 is whatever, and then nice day. That's what it should say right there. So let's go ahead and do that one here. I'm going to go down to the end of div, and then I'm going to go script first. Let text1 equals whatever, and then text1 equals the addition to whatever, and then nice day. And then up here we do p whatever, and p last name, last name. Okay. Nice day. Now let's go to our JavaScript functions, JS. Actually, no, go back to telnet. Script and script. I'm gonna do exercise here for the label. And down here we'll go document dot get element by ID. Day, we'll just name it day. Dot inner HTML equals text1. Then we'll go up here. ID equals day. Save that. Go to our telnet. And here we can see what a very nice day. So I'm just going to put day right here so you can see that it wasn't this one, it was the other one. What a very nice day. So there it is. Although it doesn't have the space in between. So you see that it's missing the space. Wonder if we could just do this at the end of that one. No, okay, doesn't accept that. So I also have the double quotations there. Let's see, they accomplished that without the double quotations. Strings, or HTML day, nice day, what a very, oh, okay, so they just added a space right there. There it is, okay. Let's close that off. Alright, so the next thing, adding strings and numbers. So let's go in and do p equals PID equals I don't know, strings or number string. Close off p and then label that strings and numbers. Script. And we close off the script up here. Let x equals 5 plus 5. Then let y equals double quotations 5. So it's going to be in the message, in text I mean, plus 5. And then let z equals in text hello plus 5. Now we go document dot get element by ID. We named it number strings dot inner HTML equals and then z, and we'll save that. Refresh here. Strings and numbers. So hello plus 5. So then we need to do text 2 equals z text 2 some number strings text 2, save that. So I made it equal this one. Oh, it's only showing this one. Yeah. Let's see, where's the issue? Number strings. Day. Closing. Let's take a look here. Oh, okay. So at the end, we need to put in x plus then the line break, page break, plus another page break, plus z, so x is going to be that 10 plus page break plus hello plus 5. Okay, try string instead, and a string up here. I'm trying to see what the, because everything is the same except for this. So there shouldn't be an issue with that displaying correctly. So I wonder if I have a typo here. Or if I have a duplicate. I think it's because we are using x, y, and z, and we already have that declared in our functions document. So I'm gonna do something else for these. I'm gonna do like C, D, E, let's see, save that again, refresh. So there's our 10 and then hello 5. Yeah, it was just because we had a duplicate. We had already declared these variables here, x, y, and z. So close that off. Okay. Logical operators. So that would be and, this would be or, and this would be not. So let me add this in here. P logical operators, close P. Oh, I'm going to transfer this to the bottom here. Logical and logical or logical not. Save that. Okay, so now the type of operators. Type of returns type of variable, and an instance of returns true if an object or is an instance of an object type. Bitwise operators. Bit operators work on 32-bit numbers. So here you have the description for all these, and then how they're applied in the code, and then what they're the same as. Definitely don't expect anyone to memorize this. So if you want to write it down and keep it handy in your notes, or when you do need them, in case you ever do need these, then go ahead. Yeah, and that'll be it for the operators, JavaScript operators. I'll catch you in the next video later today. Take it easy. Bye.